हेलो ऑल, FNO ट्रेडर के इस वीडियो में मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ आवर फ्री बेसिक टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम इन प्राइस एक्शन ट्रेडिंग. Today we'll learn what are charts, what are different type of charts, what is candlestick, what are candlestick charts, and how we use those charts for technical analysis as such. Here are our contact details. You can contact us related to your queries or if you want to enroll for our advanced training program. Also, the contact details are provided in description of this video, and you can also join our Telegram channel for more details. So let's move on to see what are different types of charts are there. Before that, let me tell you, there are different charting softwares available. Your broker also provide you a charting software, and there are some free softwares available. Those free softwares are also quite good. So couple of those free softwares are one is TradingView and one is investing.com. So in TradingView you have many facilities, you can use those. I'll just write name here for your convenience. It is TradingView, TradingView. So in tradingview.com you can check for the software, or you can use the software charting software that is provided to you by your broker. So what you are seeing on screen is chart of Nifty 50. Now this chart is basically line chart, as you are seeing this line in here, and as the below part is shaded in blue here, this chart is also called mountain chart. If this shading part is removed, it is just called line chart. So on this line chart, what all things are displayed here? So on x-axis we have time. Okay, so here see, this is our x-axis. On this axis what we have is timeline. Right, we have this months in here, years, and on y-axis, so this axis here, so on y-axis what we have is price. So on this axis we have price. Okay, so this is time, and on y-axis we have price. Now each point indicates price at that particular time. So this is the price. So somewhere like September date, it is price. So price will be something in between these two. So at this point of time, price was 80. This each point indicates price at that particular time. So this particular chart is weekly chart. So each point on this line indicates closing price for that particular week. Okay, so if you consider this point, this is closing price in that particular week. We are not going to use this kind of charts for our analysis. I am just briefing you about what different type of charts we have. We have line charts, it looks something like this. So we have bar charts. Well, one second, I'll just show you bar charts. So these are bar charts. Each bar indicates four things here. So let's take, for example, let's take this particular bar. Okay, now this particular bar, I'll just draw this bar here so that we can clearly see. Okay, this is something like this. Okay, so there is one straight line here, and there is one line on the left and one line on the right. Okay, so what this indicates? So this small line on the left side indicates that open price. Okay, open price. So at this price, this is opening price. Okay, this price indicates closing price. Okay, here this price indicates low price. Okay, here these are bars for that particular week. So this is lowest price in that particular week. This is opening price in that week, means on the Monday on what price the market opened, and this is closing price for the week. This is closing price, and this is high price of the week. Consider this bar. So this here it is open, so here it is closed. This one is high, and this one is low price for that week. Now see this type of this bar, price is opened here, and low price and opening price for that week was same. So the small line is at the lowest point. opening price was equal to low price for that week. This was the high price made in that week, and this is closing price. This is closing price for that week. Price closed here. Take example of this particular bar. Okay, so price opened here. So this is opening price, and here it is opened. This is closing price. This price is closing price. Okay, this is high point, highest price in that week, and this is lowest price. Now see, if open price is low, means if this is open price and close price is say here, so then it will be called bullish bar, because price is increased in that particular week, right? And if open price is greater than closing price, here open price was less than closing price, here closing price was less than open price, so market opened here, and at the end of this week market closed here, so this closed price is less than open price. So if this kind of bar is formed, it will be called bearish. We're neither going to use bar charts for our purpose. I just briefed you about this. What we are actually going to use for our training program purpose is candlestick charts. So what is candlestick? It is sometimes called Japanese candlestick. Okay, now it is similar to bar chart, but what you can see is these are colorful and generally have two colors. It is for easily identifying if it is bullish or bearish. Let's take one of these candles so that I can explain about what exactly is a candle. Let's take this particular candle. So I'll just try to draw this candle here. Well, so this is our candle, and this is a wick. This is called wick. In this candle there are 4 points, and the candle color is green. Now this is open point. Okay, price opened at this point. So again, this is weekly candle. For this particular week, price opened here and closed here. This is lowest price in that week, and this is highest price in that week. So basically what candlestick tell us very precisely is what is the opening and closing price and what low and high prices it made. It gives us vital details like is price going up or it's going down, what exactly price did in that week. That's why candlesticks are widely used, and there are different formations of candlesticks. You can Google about different formations of candlesticks on YouTube or Google, and you may find many formations like this candle. This type of candles are called pin bar. They are seldom called reversal bars also. This type of candles, this was red candle, and again after that green candle is formed. These are called engulfing candles. Engulfing candles means it is again form of reversal. Such type of candles, these candles are called doji. So where open and close prices are very much nearby, and high and low prices are far apart from each other. Let's now see open, high, low, close for bearish candle, because earlier what we saw was a bullish candle. This particular candle, okay, I'll just draw it here. This is red color candle, so I'll just draw it in red. So when candle is red, it means this point is its open price, okay, and this point is its close price. This is low price for that week, and this is high price. So when candle is red, this is open and this is close point. In short, if candle is red, this is open point and this is close point. Open point is greater than close point. If candle is green, then this is open point and this is close point. So here open point is less than close point, and when candle was red, open point was greater than close point, right? The green candles are called bullish candles, and the red candles are called bearish candles. You can do some exercise by seeing different candlesticks and just identifying which are open, close, high and low points and what those actually mean. Now this candle, see here, its open price and low price are equal, there will be some candles where high point and close points were equal. See this candle, sorry, this one. Let's try to identify open, high, low, close for different candles and their behavior. Let's say this candle, this green candle. So where is its open point? Yes, correct. This one is open. So where is high? This is high. Where is close? This is close, just below the high. So its close and high are nearly same. And this is low point. For now, just try to develop this understanding that when open and low are nearby, it means price has started from the lowest point and then it was going up. And suppose there is some candle which is something like this, where you are not able to see any wicks on those side, on upper and down sides. It means, and suppose this candle color is red, then what it means? It means open point. This is open point because this is red candle, and high point are same, right? So this is high point and the same point is open point, and both are same. This is closing point and this is low point, so both of these are same. So this is a bearish candle. It is generally decided by open and close price, but high and low also are important because the doji candles, which are something like this, it is like open and close are same. We cannot say that this is bearish or this is bullish because it is indecisive candle. Fine. So it is exercise for you to open the candlestick chart and take any candle and mark open, high, low and close points. Try to think about those open, high, low, close points and try to make sense out of those. See this candle. So it's like price is opened at certain point. This is open price. Then price went all the way up. It was going up. Price reached to this point. So this was high point. And then again price came down and closed very nearby the opening price. So bulls took price all the way up, but again bears started selling and they pushed price down all the way near to open price, right? So it means that now there is some kind of reversal is forming. So like that, take any of the candles and see what that candle is telling you. Each of these candles tell a story. So first you should be able to identify the story to start with. So this is your exercise to see the candle, mark open, high, low, close and start thinking that okay, the price opened here, then bulls came in, they moved price higher, then again bears came in, they start selling and they pushed the price all the way down, and price went down than the opening price, and again bulls came in and they pushed the price up. So each candle have a story and you should be able to identify that story by seeing the candle. I will tell you another trick and that will be very useful to understand what is exactly happening. By seeing this candle you should be able to identify what is going on in lower time frame. Now let's see. This is a weekly time frame. Okay, this is weekly time frame for Nifty. So each candle represents 1 week. Let's say this candle. So this candle is candle represents 1 week. So what happened in this particular week? Here actually we will try to visualize what happened in that particular week. On Monday morning of that week, price is opened here, and in the till mid of that week or on Monday, Tuesday, whatever, price went all the way up till this point. Then selling started and price came all the way down. Then in last day or previous to last day of that week or fourth or fifth day of that week, again bulls came in and buying started in that counter and price went all the way up and closed here. Here this is open price, this is high price, this is low price, and this is price at which it's closed. So all this activity is done in that week, right? So it's open, went all the way to high point and then again came to the low point of that week and then moved up and closed. So all this story is accommodated in one candle, and that is this particular candle, right? So like this, by just seeing that candle you should be able to visualize what might have happened in that week. what you can do is you can take any candlestick and visualize what has happened, and then go to the lower time frame and see what happened in that week exactly. Check the week starting for this candle, date at which the week started, and then go to lower time frame, like say daily or hourly. Change this time frame, this weekly, right? Then you go to daily or hourly time frame, and then see what happened in that week. You will understand the story. Then you will be able to identify that, okay, this is what happening. So I am seeing this weekly candlestick here, but in daily or hourly, this is what all things are happening. This applies to all different time frames. So if you see daily time frame, if there is candle in daily time frame, you can visualize what might be happening in its hourly time frame, or say 15-minute time frame candle, or for that matter what is happening in its 5 minutes. It's too small, but still you can at least visualize something. So if you can see a hourly time frame chart, you can try to visualize what might be happening in a 5-minute time frame chart. So that is your exercise. So here I wind up this session about candlestick charts. Thank you very much.